Tired of spending hours designing posts that still look amateur? Multiple tools, inconsistent branding, and tight deadlines. Sound familiar? You hire freelancers, juggle templates, waste budget and time. Designs take forever. Revisions pile up, campaigns lose momentum. Small teams and freelancers can't scale consistent on brand assets. Marketing teams juggle campaigns across channels, losing cohesion fast. You need pro designs without the agency price or weight. Meet Lovart, the world's first AI design agent. Automate your entire creative workflow from logos to campaigns. Create professional designs instantly with powerful, intuitive AI. One platform replaces multiple tools, freelancers, and messy processes. Upload brand assets, set tone, and let Lovart generate. Logos, social posts, ads, emails, done in minutes, perfectly. AI adapts to your brand voice and visual rules. Consistent on brand assets across every channel automatically. Save time, reduce costs, and scale creative output effortlessly. No design skills? No problem. Lovart guides every step. Need a logo? Get dozens of options instantly. Editable. Launching a campaign? Produce multi-format assets in one click fast. Customize instantly. Push live. Maintain brand consistency everywhere. Before, weeks of back and forth, invoices piling up, stress. After, instant assets, predictable costs, campaigns that actually launch. Imagine replacing 5 tools and multiple contractors overnight. Imagine brand safety without manual checks or inconsistent files. Lovart automates templates, versions, and size adjustments instantly. Batch generates social posts, ads, and email headers in seconds. Change a color or logo and update everything automatically. Scale seasonal campaigns across channels without extra designers. Freelancers love it. Less back and forth, more billable hours. Small businesses save money while looking like polished enterprises. Marketing teams regain time to focus on strategy and growth. Lovart's AI learns your brand so results improve over time. Built-in version control keeps design history and approvals organized. Integrations connect to your favorite tools and platforms easily. Export in any format or publish directly to channels. Templates and AI prompts tailored to your industry and goals. Examples: cafes, boutiques, SaaS startups, and service providers. Results: faster launches, more consistent engagement, measurable ROI, real user. Small bakery doubled orders with regular branded posts. Freelancer testimonial: deliver projects faster and win more clients. No learning curve. Intuitive interface gets you started quickly. Pricing built for small teams. Predictable, affordable, scalable plans. Free trial lets you test full capabilities before committing. Security and ownership. You own your brand assets, securely stored. Support and onboarding help you move from chaos to control. Workflow automation frees your team to focus on big ideas. Imagine launching twice as many campaigns with half the effort. Less manual resizing, fewer approvals, faster time to market. Lovart handles repetitive tasks so creative teams can innovate. Start with a template or generate designs from scratch effortlessly. Fine-tune layouts, swap assets, and save brand-approved versions. AI suggestions speed decisions while keeping your final control. Collaborate, comment, and approve directly inside Lovart's workspace. Reporting shows which designs drive clicks and conversions efficiently. Ready-to-use templates for holidays, product launches, and promos. Lovart reduces errors and keeps legal assets compliant automatically. Teams scale without hiring, keeping quality and voice consistent. Startups and small businesses get enterprise-level design capabilities affordably. Try Lovart to stop firefighting design tasks every week. Sign up, set brand, and generate a marketing kit in minutes. Preview assets, tweak, export, and publish with no friction. Ideal for solo freelancers, small teams, and busy marketers. Cut design costs while increasing brand recognition and reach. Lovart fits into existing stacks and accelerates workflows immediately. See instant iterations, choose favorites, and schedule posts forward. No more hunting files or recreating previous campaigns manually. This is design automation that makes practical business sense. Lovart automates your creative workflow end-to-end. Instant professional designs, consistent branding, and lower creative costs. Ready to scale your marketing without hiring dozens more? Start a free trial today and see results in days. Sign up and get a custom brand kit generated instantly. Join other small businesses, freelancers, and teams already winning. Lovart, the AI design agent that actually saves time. Click the link, start creating, and reclaim your creative time.